Why Facebook account recovery usually fails and what actually works. Many YouTube videos claim to show how to recover a Facebook account. Some of these videos have millions of views, others have hundreds of thousands of views. Different creators have explained different steps and different methods, but when you look at the comment sections, you will see there is a problem. In most of all these videos, we see comments that people followed the instructions carefully, but the steps did not work and their accounts were still not recovered. This raises an important question. Why most Facebook recovery videos don't work? The main reason is automation. To recover a Facebook account, the process is mostly automated and not reviewed by real humans. You will agree with me that Facebook handles billions of user accounts, so it is expensive to employ human support to service the large number of users. And naturally, humans will not respond as fast as automated bots or AI will do. So there is usually no human being to look into what you submit to Facebook. When you apply to recover your Facebook account, you are interacting with a computer automated bot or an AI system that checks predefined signals and strict rules. So if those rules and strict conditions are not met, the bot or the AI will reject or ignore your recovery request. Then it becomes a problem. This is why many videos about Facebook recovery lead to the same result, with similar comments showing it is not working. But on this channel, I always explain what works for you, what doesn't work, and I will tell you why. So if that sounds good to you, then subscribe here for more tech clarity videos. Another reason many recovery attempts fail is confusion between account status. Facebook treats disabled accounts and hacked accounts differently. A disabled account means Facebook itself restricted you or removed your access. This may happen due to policy violations, automated moderations, reports, or suspicious behaviors. In many cases, disabled accounts are permanent, but you may be lucky to recover it if you follow due process. And in a case when you see an option to contact Facebook support, it is limited, and it may work if the account was locked recently, let's say within 30 days. A hacked account is handled differently. In this case, Facebook assumes the original owner can still prove identity to recover the account. So, to recover the account, it depends on whether the automated system can accurately verify that the person requesting the access is the true original owner. Ironically, it is like a thief has claimed your name, your email, your password, and added two-factor authenticator and gained access to your everything. Then the thief makes you, the original owner, look like the thief. What a twist and irony. Recovery may work if the hacker did not fully change your account details like email, password, or if the hacker has not added a two-factor authenticator. And your recovery can also work when you try the process from a device previously used to log in to your Facebook account before. Then lastly, in some cases, the system may recognize the hacker as the account owner based on the recent changes done by the hacker. On those videos, in their comment sections, you may see people claiming they know someone who can recover accounts for you. Often, they direct you to contact that person on Facebook DM, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter X, Snapchat, and so on. These claims are false. Be warned. Nobody outside Meta support can restore your accounts for you.
Okay, I see the issue. Let me pull up your account. There we go. I've updated your profile. Is that correct?
If you contact those guys, they ask for your email, password, date of birth, because you are already locked out and they know you are desperate. Understanding this will prevent you from further loss. If you have not lost your account completely, the prevention is far more reliable than waiting for the problem to happen and later fixing it. Precaution steps you can take include this. You yourself should enable two-factor authentication to your accounts, add a recovery email that is in your control, regularly review devices you have logged in, and remove unknown or unwanted sessions and connected apps to your Facebook. These actions will reduce the possibility of permanent loss. I have lost my Facebook account before, so watch this video to see how I got back my Facebook. Remember to subscribe here, and I will see you in my next one.